Get off the couch, Cubby.
Here we are, 45 miles from Moab, 8 o'clock in the morning, 30 degrees out. We're in a freaking blizzard. I'm trucking along here about 35 miles an hour. I'm in no big hurry. Got her in 4-wheel drive. Am I nervous? No, but I'm a little nervous. Alright, better get back to drive. Still in a blizzard. Still clipping along here. Look at the big old flakes. These people are passing me and everything else. It's all good. Alright, let's do this. Here we are, 9:47 in the morning. We made her to Sean's St. Dane's Cabins, dropped the trailer, went to the grocery store, picked up a few things, taking Dad up 128, up to Colorado. He's never seen this kind of stuff. Check that out. It's always good when you have a glass roof in your truck, right, Dad?
Yep.
So, Moab, baby. Finally made her in 3 days. We made her. Dad, we're in a freaking blizzard. It's raining, it's snowing. We're here. We're gonna find Chubby. By the way, woo, look at that son of a gun. I believe Xander's going right here somewhere. Alright. Is it me or is it cold? It's cold. Alright. Guess which room we're in. Wow, it's Potsy here again. St. Dane's Cabins. Moab, Utah? Oh yeah, look, we got an old Willie's truck cab set in here. How cool is that? Yeah, been here before. I've actually stayed in that room right here. Anyways, look at this stuff. Snow on the cliffs. It's spitting rain and spitting snow right now. I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts. Yeah, it's about to be shorts. Anyways, it was Texas yesterday. It was in Texas. It was sunny. It was 92. Cliffs covered in snow. Pretty cool. There's the trailer. It's loaded with sand, dirt, flowers. Alrighty, everybody. Day 3. Tired. It's 2 o'clock almost, Moab time. About ready to put a done stamp on this. Big shout out to Nancy and Chubby, Sean Campbell. St. Dane's Cabins, known them for many years. Great facility, great location, great everything. Check them out. If you're in Moab, you need a place to stay, you better reserve it in advance because they are always sold out. Great people, awesome place. All right, everybody, Potsy, I'm out of here. Day 3. Let's do this.